Mitranam, welcome to South Asia Maps JRED Education Channel. Uh, in this, I'm giving a gist of what I will be going to talk about the Sindh province series, Sindh Mata province series. This is a gist of around about 8 presentations I have made. Sindh series overview. In the series overview, for 1 minute or so, I'll be talking about what I have expanded in each presentation, which is around about 15 to 20 minutes. People who doesn't have much time and want to have a quick view, this will be very beneficial, and whatever the topic interests you, you can go and find the topic. Sindh province series, Sindh series, this is the Sindh. And for Subasa Pakistan, I have shown Sindh here. This is the land of Rajarshi Maharaja Dahir and Latif Bhitai Shah, and a patriotic personality, Alabakht Samro, Khan Bahadur, and Premier of Sindh, partition time, and prominent Sindhi nationalist Ghulam Murtaza Sayyid Sahebji. And here I am showing round about 8 presentations for you briefly. In the Sindh, in the first part one, presentations, I have talked about the what are the three historic regions. These are the cultural regions of the Sindh province, and this is the Sindh province, northern part Siro region, central Vicholi region, and southern Laur region. How these three parts were taken into account when the British start organizing the districts in Sindh post annexation period 1843. The Siro region is the north. Remember, S means the north, the Siro Sikarpur Sukur region, historic prominent urban center and trade center to Kandar region and eventually the Central Asia. Siro region, that is the Larka now. Larkana, Khairpur, and all those regions, Shadkot and Gotki and those areas. Then the central Vicholi region, sometimes that is the Hyderabad centric region, Hyderabad, the Nawab Shah, and it was the center of the rule by the Kalhoro Nawabs and later Battle of Halala and Talpur Nawabs before Battle of Dubo and Miami, the Vicholi region, Hyderabad centric on either side of Sindhumata River, that is the Sis side, this side east, and Trans side west. Lur region is as the Karachi port was built and Sindh navigation was purported and is rival to the Bombay port and the Sindh Sagar Ocean Karachi centric Lur region, Karachi, there was also used as a historic region. So this is the three historic regions. They formed the centers for the district organization. This is Siro means Shikarpur area, Sukar, and Vishal is the Hyderabad region district, and Lar is the KL, remember, Karachi region, and so on. Then I have divided around about 24 or so physiographic regions of the Sindh province. Most of the time people say the Kohistan region, Kirtar centric western mountains, and third desert region, eastern centric, and central the Sindhu alluvium delta and southern Sindhu alluvial basin, southern part of delta. But I have broadened this so that you will get a deeper understanding of 24 physiographic regions of Sindh province, and among which I overviewed the first 12 in one place so that you will have a broader and 12 districts. I will show you quickly. Sorry. 12 or so, and Sindh. Here I am showing all the 24 regions, and I also reviewed the first 12 so that you will have a broader idea, and the later 12 so that you'll have much broader idea. So those are two covered. Then after post battle of Miami and Dubbo along the river Sindhumata by the generals James Outram and Charles Napier, Talpuri Nawabi was overthrown, and they organized the district. The previous old jillas were essentially called districts later. Three colonial districts formation, that is the Karachi district, Collectorate and Hyderabad district, that also later got the Thar and Parker district, which was in the Kutch area, Kutch agency area, and Hyderabad districts, Karachi district, the northern, that is Shikarpur district, or sometimes called Sukar district, and so on. So I described those three extensively, tried to map the initial three districts, and we drew the analogy between Shiro, Vicholi, and Lar. Then I have taken three of the each time the regions expanded further. I talked about the Kitar Mountains in the western part and the Kohistan region and the Lucky Mountains and all those areas extensively around about the Karachi and so on. Then I have taken the Rohri Quest upland region south of Sukar and Karachi and the Sikarpur and Sukar upland and geological frontier region, and we have integrated them, looked in extensively about this. This region is very like 30, 40, 50, even 60 meters also above the surrounding the alluvial region of the Lower Sindh province. Then we talked about the Paleo Nara River, Nara Canal, so that you will have a broader understanding of that region in part to see like that. Then I have taken the three districts and turned three districts into nine districts. Original Karachi district, Hyderabad district, and northern Sikarpur district or Sukur district, right? Hyderabad district, we have divided Hyderabad into Nawab Shah and Tharparkar areas, and Karachi into Karachi district and northern broader Dadu district. And northern part we have taken Shikarpur area and Larkana district, Shikarpur, and frontier district, that is the northern upper Sindh frontier, essentially Jacobabad area. So we got the nine district. We kept the Khairpur princely state as this, from three districts to nine districts. So you can get a broader idea of that thing. So I hope this will help you to understand the Sindh province series broadly. And in the next presentation in this short series, I will talk about in part B what are the 8 or 9 topics I covered. Thank you very much, Mitronam, joining me today. See you later, your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps.